Hi there. Recently, my poor compost bin, which is usually full of worms, actually lots of worms, was taken over by a swarm of bees, which was wonderful, exciting, however, not very practical for my dog. Fortunately for us, the very kind and generous Matt, the local beekeeper, came to the rescue and very calmly, gently and safely helped us to remove the bees and to find them a new home. Now, the first thing that Matt did, which was very interesting for me, was to smoke the bees, which I always thought it had a calming effect. But Matt explained that it actually stops the bees from communicating that they need to attack a predator or that they're in danger. He also explained that it promotes or provokes their bushfire response, so the bees' main concern is to go back and protect the honeycomb. Now you can see the beautiful golden honeycomb here, and Matt explained that the bees had not produced any honey in this honeycomb yet, but he very kindly and generously offered us or gave us a bottle of some of the first batch of his beautiful golden honey from his bees, and we were greatly appreciative. Now the honeycomb, Matt explained as well, is designed to protect and insulate the bees. It's not just a food source, which was very interesting to know. And I did notice that Matt very carefully put each piece of honeycomb into the new hive. He hung them up, and he also provided the bees very generously some honeycomb from his own hive. So he was able to collect basically all of the bees, place them into the hive, and put the hive on top of my poor compost bin. The bees, of course, were excited, but because Matt had found and placed the queen bee into the new hive, all of the bees slowly throughout the day made their way back into the hive. And especially as the sun set, all I could find before dark was one remaining bee guarding the entrance to the hive. And now here's a time lapse of the entire process.